Oyo alina omwana. Aha. Naye abadde nga bayonsa. Mwabale ku diwaami nga ndaba ensusu nnungi. N'oyo owa brown oyo alina ekya brown emabe. Saagala nnyo ya bitangatanga nze. Saagala bitanga. Naye oyo si mukadde. Aze ne muwala we. Saagala balina fujjo. Ndaba alwana ne banne. So these are the goods. Sabo. Oli alunda gwe njagala. Nani? Wane etuukawo. Tugende. Omuntu alunda wakugambanga ekintu. Hello my people, hope you're doing okay. Welcome to Hanimi's World. Welcome to the channel that inspires you to do farming. Not only farming but business in farming. Those two things are different. So guys, if you are interested in farming videos, if you're interested in knowing how to stay in your villages as you carry out agriculture, how can you survive, please consider to subscribe down below for such videos and hit that notification bell so that YouTube notifies you when I upload more videos. I'm from getting some goats, and as you can see, the guys are taking the goats to the farm. So guys, I would love to say some words about something about purchasing of goats, new goats, in a simple way, this farm is a very simple farm, guys. So what you have to note when you are purchasing these goats, number one, the first thing I have to put into consideration is buying goats from around your area or in the same geographical places. Why? I found it that farmers have got like very many problems with buying goats from far away. You are, let me say, you are in Mokono district, you go and buy a goat from Kotido district. Those two areas are different in terms of geography, in terms of location, in terms of the weather. So in most cases, for them to adapt, it takes a lot of energy. And another thing, when you are purchasing these goats, it's better you purchase those young goats than those, guys. The young goats that are about to give birth, or the goats that are that give birth like once, guys. Why? Because you feed it and you train it, and it will be in your corral or in your pen for a long period of time giving birth. So at the end of the day, they are cheaper in price, and at the end of the day, you will be with them for a long period of time. So after buying these goats, guys, you have to separate them. So we are going to separate them. We are going to put them in that pen. We've already sprayed the pen that was for the sheep. We've sprayed it, we've disinfected it. So we are going to spray them. We are going to separate them, number one, then we'll spread them, number two. Then after spraying them, we are going to deworm them. But after we've first known from the farm where we've gotten them from, we've known when they last dewormed them. So we are going to deworm them, give them multivitamins, then we are going to give them water with glucose and stress because they are from traveling. Then after that, we shall quarantine them as they get used to the area. Then later on, we shall feed them from here. Then after some days, we shall let them. After monitoring them, we shall get them into our corral after monitoring them and seeing that they are okay. There is no problem, guys. So that is what we are going to do. So right now, they are here in this pen. You see them? So they are going to be quarantined here as we monitor them. So when we monitor them and we get to know that they are okay, we shall let them into our corral and the business goes on. So these new goats, we are spraying them. You cannot know what parasite they have come with, so you have to spray them before you add them to the main flock, guys. Amazzi ago gegendereza Vincent butagafuuyiramu. We are administering medication. We are through with spraying. Now we are to orally deworm them. Then after we give them multivitamin and Oxted 20. Oxted 20 helps to prevent further infections if they have any. We would have injected ivermectin, but their skin looks to be fine. We shall do that later on. So after this exercise, we are going to keep them here. We monitor them for some days. If they are fine, then we put them into our main flock. But before that, we are separating these animals. Never bring animals and put them in the main flock, guys. Shia. Okabanga gwe batakubangako ku mpiso. First wait. Sokolindeko musoose multivitamin. Kuba liri lya black ligenda difuula black. Tukoze tuti. Pozi ngaawo kiba kitegeeza multivitamin. Kati kozesa wali amazzi bw'omala okuba ng'okozesa wali amazzi. So guys, thank you for watching Hanimi's World. Please consider to subscribe down below and share my videos. Comment down below. Let us have a conversation, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.